Do you know why we use a power supply in a PLC project? How it works? Or how we connect the power supply to the rest of the PLC modules? In 2 minutes, the answer coming up. After you install this rack, the first module you will install is the power supply on this rack. The power supply is important because it regulates a safe voltage for the CPU and the rest of the modules in the PLC. Here is how it works. The power supply is fed directly from a 220 volts AC from the power outlet, and it will convert the power into a 24 volts DC in output. To make this voltage safely available to the PLC modules, we have to do the wiring between each individual PLC module and the power supply. In some cases, instead of wiring, a U-shaped connector can be used to connect the power supply to the CPU. In compact PLCs, this wiring is already built into the unit internally, so we don't have to do any wiring. Note that, unlike the rest of the PLC modules, we don't have any data communication connectors in the power supply. Why? Because the only job that a power supply has is to provide a safe voltage for the modules to work properly. So you won't see any bus connectors, or need to install anything else between the power supply and the rest of the PLC modules, because there is no data communication between them and the power supply. That's it. Thank you so much for your time. Cheers!